Are you ready to step into the future of construction? Digital technologies, particularly building information modeling, BIM, are revolutionizing the industry, opening doors to countless career opportunities. Whether you're looking to improve project efficiency, contribute to sustainable design, or be part of the exciting digital transformation happening in construction, this course is your gateway to mastering the skills needed for success. With BIM and digital technologies becoming the backbone of construction projects globally, the demand for skilled professionals is growing rapidly. This course will equip you with the knowledge and expertise to thrive in this dynamic field. Whether you're interested in design, engineering, project management, or operations, by the end of this course, you'll understand how BIM and other cutting-edge technologies like AI, machine learning, and robotics are shaping the construction landscape, and how you can harness these tools to drive efficiency, innovation, and sustainability in your career. Get ready to transform your career in the construction industry.